Hi, in this video I'll show a quick but complete makeup look when there is no much time, but you need to look fresh and neat. Also, I'll share some tips which will be very useful, especially for the beginners. I applied a moisturizer before, so I start makeup with a foundation. It is essential to choose the right foundation tone so that it looks natural on your skin. I'm using the foundation from Estee Lauder, and it's very easy to choose the right tone online on their website. You need to answer a few simple questions and you'll be offered several options for products to choose from. For me, it worked perfect. I apply a small amount of foundation with a beauty blender so that the coverage is as natural as possible. Special attention should be given to shading the product along the hairline, the cheekbones, and at the wings of the nose. I don't use concealer in daytime makeup when I don't see a big need for it, and also because I use the same foundation on the area under my eyes. Now it's time for the eyes. And here I'll use a tape so I don't accidentally blend the shadows down. In this makeup I use light brown shadows, but they can also be replaced with beige, pink or grey. You can even use just a bronzer. And in the outer corner of the eye I add some black shadows and blend them well up along the tape. When we remove the tape, there is a sharp line, but don't worry, we can easily blend it. Just use a slightly harder brush. Also, I'll add some shadows under my eyes. And the eyes is almost done, so I just need to apply mascara. Next, I'll do my brows. And my technique here for quick application is using an eyebrow pencil. In order to make them look natural, I almost do not touch the eyebrow area near the nose, but make a few strokes in the middle and at the tip of the eyebrow. And I'm fixing them with the brow gel, so they look neater. And by this time my foundation is now so wet already and I can do some contouring. I apply a little bronzer along the hairline and also draw the cheekbone in an upward direction. I also do a little contouring of the nose, but in a daily makeup it's important not to overdo it. I like this makeup matte, so I will apply just a small amount of highlighter. For creamy blushes, I'm using a beauty blender and blend them in an upward direction. For lips, I first use a pencil and then blend it a little with my fingers. They look more natural without clear lines. On top, I'm applying a lipstick in nude color. Red colors are also suitable here, but try to match them with eyeshadows. In this video I used two different colors. I would be interested to know which one you liked more, so you can write in the comments what you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!